Hello my pink Cloudiess, welcome back to my channel. So in my today's video, I'm gonna share with you hamper gift ideas in this Valentine's Day for girlfriend. Through this video, you will get a lot of ideas. So I hope you all like this video and let's begin. It's very easy to make these emoji cards, so you will need white and yellow paper. Draw a circle on both paper, cut them out and stick it together. On yellow side, draw any emoji and white side, draw anything about her. Search love contract or agreement in Chrome and pick your favorite and print it on A4 size, and that's the love contract. That's it for today's video. I hope you all like this video. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos. Take care, stay safe, be healthy and happy Valentine's Day. Take care, bye bye. Comment below which is your favorite gift in this hamper.